we will talk about egoism of high school students in this generation.
I am most intimidated by the way you grade 9 students stare at me.
Why? How will you know you're the one we stared at?
Instinct, probably.
Then you're wrong with what you are thinking. Why should our stare intimidate you?
Maybe because I am younger than you. Just as siblings, the younger you are, the more you're bullied by your older sister or brother. An underdog, so to speak.
You should not think that way. Every one of us here underwent the same process. Not because you are younger, you are less as a person.
A past experience had taught me that way.
Well, you should not carry such a burden all throughout your life as a student. You have to unload yourself and be more open-minded.
Yeah, maybe you're right. Such good experience from someone should not hamper my growth as an individual, as a student dealing with others. I should not dwell from it. It's just time to destroy the wall I have long kept and distance myself from my high school world.
What we thought that our own age dictate to blend in. The younger we are, lesser we are interactive too. But as all mature, we learn how to deal with other persons. Just be patient with it. Your time will come. For me, so long you do nothing wrong. You should not hesitate to speak your mind and be yourself. Never lose oneself just to go with the fear of pakikisama.